Hello everyone. I just wanted to show you a few things about your feedback for the LP Task 1 before I send you your feedback. I'll start sending your feedback in a minute, but first, please watch this video. Here's the thing. We'll start having the tutorials tomorrow, and please make sure that you have a look, at least have a look at your feedback and think about the problems, the mistakes before you come to the tutorial, okay? So let me just open uh, a feedback, a Word document to which I gave feedback and show you a few things that you must be careful about. So let's go. Okay, I think you can see it. Let me close this. Yep. Okay, the first thing is I want you first to take a look at these notes under your paragraphs. Okay, so these are some general but important warnings about your performance in the LP task. For example, it says you need to answer the prompts in separate paragraphs, and this one you'll find, each of you will find this one because, one of the main goals of this LP task is to see if you can synthesize different ideas. And to do that, you were supposed to make use of both texts for all of the points. For example, you were asked to, talk about two problems and then come up with two solutions for them. So that means for the first problem, you need to use information from the first text from Stobiersky, and you also need to, support the same idea, make some addition from the second text, which is Monty and Coleman. As in the case of this student, it seems that the student made use of Stobiersky for the first problem, but didn't add anything from Monty and Coleman. And in terms of solution, this student made use of both Stobiersky and Monty and Coleman, so first text and the second text. And make sure that you check this because I'll expect you to act accordingly and make changes in your second draft. And this you'll see this as well. Most of you will have this as well. Remember, we talked about three types of in-text citation: parenthetical, narrative, and we also can use according to. So you need to make use of all of these three styles. And when you're, of course, using narrative in-text citation, we also expect you to use a variety of reporting verbs. So for example, state, argue, claim, discuss, whatever the intention of the author is. And if you haven't used all three, then you will see this note for you, okay? And there will be some explanation about what the problem is as well. So make sure that you think about that. And you'll also see this. Uh, Most people will see this. Make sure that you read this carefully, okay? But it's not just these pieces of feedback. As you see people on the right, you'll see these, notes, these comments. These are about the highlighted sections in your paragraph, okay? For example, you click on this, the first highlighted place, and says you can choose a better word here, okay? Or, I don't know, you click on this, and it says, make sure you click on the comment as well, because sometimes it's really long, and you need to see the full comment, and to do that, you need to click on it, okay? So check the in-text citation for problems. So it says this is a secondary source, check the rules on blah, blah, blah. And make sure that you check all the feedback, okay, all the comments by clicking on the highlighted sections, okay? And to do this, by the way, you can't see these comments on your mobile phones, on your smartphones. You need to open this document, this Word document, on your laptops or your PCs, okay? All right, so that's about it, people. So please expect to receive your feedback very soon and make sure you check them before our meeting, okay? All right, see you. Bye.